have 2 sets of twins.
That's so
Wow.
Gosh. That makes...
She must have more stuff than any kid in the world.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
5 what, Beth?
5 of those dollies.
Wow.
Those are nice little dolls. I like them a lot. And
Beth.
2 little poodles and 2 of the kitties and 1 of the other doggies. Was that everything on the chair, Beth?
Yep.
Beth, I think there's one more box for you. I'm not sure if it's for you or not.
That box there is her too.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It says to Beth from Santa.
Oh.
Wow.
I wonder what could be in it. Maybe more squinkies?
What would you do with more squinkies?
Oh my goodness. I bet you had all the squinkies at the North Pole.
Let me take a picture of your squinky pile over there.
I'm surprised we saw any squinkies in the store, Beth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Surprised there's any left after all.
The whole squinky factory ended up here.
Oh, Kathy. Playing with the squinkies.
What did you tell Kat? What did you say when you heard that Kathy said I was going to get coal for Christmas? What did you say?
Oh, brother.
Oh, this looks like a butterfly Christmas squinky.
It's a fairy.
Butterfly person?
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that looks nice and warm.
It's a pretty little...
It's a hoodie.
Cute.
Yeah.
Nice.
And let's see what else is in here. Pants to go with it.
Hey!
Alright.
Pretty.
What color were those pants?
Pink.
Purple?
Pink.
Pink?
Depends.
Pretty going to school in that.
Smell like plastic.
I think they look too good to wear to school.
It smells like lacquer.
Huh.
Or varnish. Like
Squinkies
varnish.
can fly, they can fly, they can fly.
And look at some of my dolls packed. Books, Yankee teddy
Probably
bear dolls.
It's got a big rush of squinky explosions today.
And if that's true, Jennifer's really in trouble.
Yeah, she is. Take out her whole house right there.
See, here's one of my squinkies.
Where? Where did it come from?
He's from my older pack.
Oh no, so he's no good, huh?
When they first came back in stores, I bought 1 pack
Yeah,
in case they disappeared again and we never saw them again.
right.
Yeah.
I think where's that on Squinkies now?
Oh, no.
I don't think you have to worry about that one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
We're going to
we're
be finding
totally
squinkies
set.
for years to come.
We should go inside.
And this is a squinky.
Oh, it is a little baby Squinky.
Let me find another
That's a
one
snoring
if I
hound
can find another one.
Squinkies have a show? Do Squinkies... There's somebody
Here's
just-
another squinky.
Do they snore?
Just marketing gumball machines? What? Where did Squinkies come from?
Is there a squinky story?
But there's not a show or anything.
Everybody be quiet for a second. She was doing it real loud while everybody was talking.
Yeah.